Hello, I am introducing Creative SBS A350 Speaker. This I will preview this speaker, what is the good quality of it. Now this is the inside of the box Creative Speaker. These features have two small bass control speakers. Here's the volume, and then this is also a speaker, a bass boom sound, and this below are the big woofer. Now I will try this and test. Now we will test some of audio files. Try to praise and worship. This song we will test. Here. There's some, so I will play again. Good sound and no broken audios or any bad output audios. So that's all. Thank you.